There is one other book launch planner on the market that I know of, and today I'm going to be taking a look at it so I can see how I am doing mine differently. This is the My Book Launch Planner. As you can see, it is a smaller size. I'm planning to make mine more 8.5 by 11. I'm hoping it will open up better to hold open on the pages. There's lots of guidance here. Let's take a look at the table of contents. Yes. Comparative titles. Oh, that's a good thing to have in there. Expense tracker, very nice. Let's see, is there more? There is more. Message examples, that's cool. So they've got this sort of, here's some marketing ideas, no information about how to do it, and like checklists, but nothing that's laid out into a calendar of like, okay, choose your day and then do these tasks leading up to it. Goal setting, but like how? What are the goals? I like this. This is like a place that you can keep track of all the different people that can help you. Advanced reader copies. Oops, a little typo there. Yeah, there's like do this, but not a whole lot of guidance in how, so I think that mine is set apart in that way. But I really like that this has like a directory where you can write down like, here's some cover designers. It also ends right on release day, and mine goes into what to do after release day. But this one, the rest of those pages are nothing but notes. Another thing that I really like about this one that mine does not have is the timeline before the launch, the writing the manuscript, editing it, finding a cover designer, laying those out into a calendar. I do not have that in my launch planner. Mine is just from the point of you're deciding on your launch date and all of the marketing activities. But it assumes that you have already gotten your manuscript edited, that you have a cover for it and things like that. Here are just a few sample pages that I'm working on because these are all still in draft. But as you'll see, I'm planning to do more step-by-step how to do a blog tour, how to do a podcast tour, how to reach out to review sites, how to track that you've reached out to review sites, how to write a press release, when to write a press release, who to send it to, all that sort of thing.